Hello everybody, I'm here today to present you my first recipe on my YouTube channel, Smiling Cooking with Benji. My first recipe is a sauce, burger sauce. You can find all my recipes on my blog and you can find the link to my blog on my video. So for the ingredients, very important, homemade mayonnaise, 6 soup spoons, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of capers, 1 teaspoon fresh tarragon, 1 pellet chilled, 1 spoonful of sugar, 1 little spoon of pepper. I choose to use the Cooking Chef Gourmet. Why? Because for video you can see everything through the food processor accessory. So today we begin to install the food processor. You put everything into food processor. The last step is very easy. You will mix everything 1 minute. So 1 minute everything. You begin with speed 1, so slow speed, and after you go to the max speed.